Hey Clarence Kitchen lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how I make this special and unique healthy fruit salad. Please stay tuned and watch. Here are the fruits that I used. I started by washing the pineapple, peeling off the skin and cutting it into tiny cubes. Same with the pawpaw. Washed, peel off the skin, cut into tiny cubes too. If today is your first time here, welcome to Clarence Kitchen. I'm glad to have you here. And please click on that subscription button and stay connected. Thank you. Followed by the avocado pear, same with the tangerines, for the oranges, I peel off the skin, cut open and juiced it because I needed the pulp and the juice at the same time for this kind of fruit salad. I washed the grapes, the banana and cut into tiny cubes too. For the watermelon, I divided into two. One part was cut into cubes, then the other half was blended because I need a watermelon juice. You can add any fruit of your choice to get that burst of flavor that you desire. After the cutting, this is how it's going to look. It's beautiful already. And this is the part I love most, going with pineapple, watermelon, pawpaw, banana, grapes, pear, and the orange juice. Lastly, the watermelon juice. Mix gently to combine and scoop into beautiful bowls and dessert cups and serve. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. See you on my next video. Bye.